Aloha! Welcome to No'eau Soft Skills Shorts, a workshop series that highlights soft skills and how to practice them. This episode is about assertiveness. What is assertiveness? Assertiveness is the ability to speak up for ourselves in a way that is honest and respectful. It helps build a greater sense of agency and can increase your self-esteem and confidence. How can you develop or practice assertiveness? Number 1. Identify your assertiveness level. Take the time to ask yourself these questions after a conversation. Do you keep your opinions to yourself when they should be voiced? Do you have a hard time saying no even if you can't take on the request? Do people have a hard time hearing you when you speak? Do you have difficulty looking people in the eye when talking to them? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you may want to be more assertive when you speak. Taking the time to reflect on your previous interactions can help you recognize when you were assertive and when you should have been assertive. By reflecting, you can find what to practice and where you can improve. Number 2. Check your body language, eye contact, and volume. Are you looking to the ground, slouching, caving inward, or whispering? If so, you give off the impression of timidness, which can negatively affect other people's perception of you and your message. Instead, you should maintain eye contact with your audience, stand tall with confidence, and speak clearly. Looking and acting self-confident is an aspect of assertiveness that can positively influence other people's perception of you. Number 3. Use first-person language when voicing your opinion. Others may mistake your assertiveness for aggressiveness or blame if you address someone directly as you. For example, while working with a friend, you said this to them: "You messed up our project." Sounds pretty harsh, right? If you place the blame onto someone else, you are not being assertive. Instead, you could say, "I feel this design doesn't fit our project too well, and we could have a better one. What do you think?" By using clear and concise language, you can convey your ideas to someone else while leaving room for further discussion. Number 4. Don't overstep. Being assertive means being an advocate for yourself and clearly conveying your stance, wants, and needs. There may be times where you have to metaphorically bump shoulders with others to ensure that you are heard. However, a necessary component of assertiveness is listening to others. It wouldn't be fair if you communicate your ideas and needs but don't listen to others in return. This is where you have to find a healthy balance of being firm with your best interests but not steamrolling others. Think of your interests as a kingdom and your assertiveness as a protective wall. You want your assertiveness to be firm and protect your interests. At the same time, other people have their walls protecting their interests. You wouldn't want someone to break down your walls, and the same would be true for them. So, you should meet them in a middle ground that preserves both of your interests. Number 5. Practice. Everyone has different comfort levels with assertiveness, and it may feel uncomfortable at first to behave in a way you aren't used to. You can mentally rehearse or even recite what you could say in a situation you think of. You could ask a friend or family member to practice with them and ask for their feedback. Going back to the first idea presented, reflecting on past experiences is a great way to grow your confidence. Don't let one negative encounter discourage you from practicing your assertiveness. You can take this opportunity to learn other people's boundaries and develop your assertiveness. Next, we have a scenario demonstrating how you can practice assertiveness. So, what do you think? Sorry, I can't hear you.
What I meant to say is that I think template 1 is way too gaudy.
Well, I think it's cool. Like, look, it's flashy and shows off our club.
Let's not make this personal, but I can see what you're trying to do, but I think template 2 is a lot more professional and clean.
I think you're right. It fits what we're trying to say better.
Thank you for hearing me out.
Thank you for watching. If you are completing this as a part of the Soft Skills Certificate or want to test your knowledge, please complete the quiz on our website. All sources used for research are cited in the description below. You can check out another video here and contact us in these ways if you have any questions. Aloha!